Hi guys, and welcome to our channel. We're here to do a change oil for a Nissan Juke 2014 model. Here are the things that we need. We need a motor oil. In this case, I'm using 5W30. My brand is a Pennzoil. A funnel, pair of gloves. This is a ratcheting wrench, the extension, and a 14mm socket, oil filter. This is what I'm using for a Nissan Juke TG6607 from Tough Guard. Oil filter remover, paper towel. This is a gallon that I will use to catch the old motor oil from the car. So you can remove this and just align this under the engine. While draining the oil, it will go here, and once it's empty, you can cover it, and that's it. Alright, we're here underneath the car, and we will remove this drain plug. This is a drain plug for the engine oil or motor oil. So now that is loosened, don't take it up right away. You can now get this container to catch your oil, and be careful not to drop this drain plug, because this might go inside your container. And this container that I have is a little bit hard to get whatever falls inside, because this is a closed one. If you have an open basin, it's much better for those situations. I chose this one because this is a catch basin and also a gallon to store my old motor oil. So let's remove it now. Move it slowly and go. Okay, this is a drain plug, and as you can see, the old motor oil is draining now. It's going here in the catch basin in the gallon that I have. So we're going to wipe this off. This is very dirty oil. I think it's been 8 months or almost 1 year since I last replaced this also. Okay, let's wait for this to drain, and while I'm wiping this off, and I'm gonna change my gloves. While that one is draining, go ahead and remove this cover. And while draining, you can remove this engine oil, motor oil cover. This one, remove this. We will be removing this oil filter using this oil filter remover. So it should really looks like this, and we push this first. Using the extension here. It's yeah. And now that it's loose, okay, that's it. Okay, move this later. Oh, it's stuck. Anyway, and then remove it. Now remove this and make sure that this one is really attached to the oil. It's dripping. Oops. Okay. That's it. To wipe it off. And let's see. And this. Wipe it off before you put the original, wipe it off before you put the new oil filter. Then we can replace this one back. This is a drain plug. Put this back by hand first for tightening with the wrench. So to avoid the loosening of the thread, because if you misalign it, it will be expensive to replace this one or fix it. Old filter. Okay, let's see. This is the old oil filter. Make sure that you remove this where this, sometimes this got stuck under the hood. Where you get this oil filter, sometimes this gets stuck, so don't forget, make sure that it is removed before installing the new oil filter. Because the new one have its own gasket, so before we install this, we have to put this oil from the new one. Make it easier next time you remove it. make it easier to remove the next time you do a change oil. Let's reinstall oil filter. Same thing with the drain plug. Install it by hands. This is one good thing with the front, it has a rubber grip here. That's why I like this filter. And tighten it by hand. No need to use any tools. Yep. The gasket will seal this. The gasket will seal that one. So now that we install everything, the oil filter and the drain plug, we are now ready to fill it up with the new motor oil. So now let's wipe this out. We'll be using a clean panel. Make sure that this has no dirt or any small salt. This one has a considers a filter. This is a 5-liter Pennzoil. What I need is we only need 4.5 liters. So there's a measurement here. If you have other container and a measuring cup, you can remove like 0.5 liters from here and then pour everything inside. That will make it a 4.5 liters. But for me, what I do is I will just pour everything until I can see the line. I mean the oil is at the 0.5 liters. I'm done. I have to place this cup. Okay, we're done. Put back this engine cover here and set that. And just start the engine and double check if there's a leak at the bottom. What I did is I start the car and check the oil filter and drain plug if there's a leak, and so far so good, there's none. And tomorrow morning I will check the oil level if I put enough oil, and if not, I will put more. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.